Hey guys, this is Spawn House 28, and today I was randomly gifted the new iPod Touch with the camera by my dad. Some Apple Store guy came up to me and was like, "Hey, your dad gifted this to you," and he gave me a bag and I opened it. It was this. So, yeah, I'm gonna unbox it at the Apple Store.
The one thing I recommend, especially if you work around
So,
probably go to Apple Care.
There's this. The case is newer than the other one. It's rounded and stuff. And the iPod is different too. It's, well, obviously, it's different. It's the fourth iPod. And it's really thin too. And if you actually try the demos here at the Apple Store, the screen is really crisp and stuff. And there's this. It's easier to bring out than the other one. The other one has this like thing right here, so you have to like pop it open and stuff.
That looks cool.
And here's the front camera and the back one. And as you can see, the wireless little thing is not there anymore. It's probably like on the inside, and it's really thin. And people say it's a lot fingerprint resistant, and it's got the screen of the iPhone 4, which I'm really excited about. Let's put that over here. And then this thing, fingertips, a little manual thing nobody reads anymore. And here's the USB sync cable and the headphones, and that's all that comes in the box. So yeah, I'll probably make some videos for this when I get home, and probably later on too. So you can subscribe and stuff to my channel, so if you want more videos like this and such. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.